Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're going to learn how to draw a colorful butterfly. Start with the body. Draw two thin, curved lines coming from the head. Add little bulbs on the ends. Butterflies use their antennae to smell and sense direction, like built-in GPS. Draw two large wings starting from the top of the thorax. The patterns on butterfly wings help them camouflage or scare away predators. Some even look like eyes. Add fun shapes and lines on the wings if you like heart, circles, dots, stripes. Get creative. Bright colors like blue, orange, yellow, and purple. Let your imagination fly. Some butterflies can flap their wings up to 5 times per second. That's super fast. No two butterflies have the exact same wing patterns. They're like snowflakes, totally unique. The color in butterfly wings comes from tiny scales that reflect light. That's why they shimmer. Like and subscribe to watch such more videos. Bye.